Today we're going to be talking to you about the Pythagorean Theorem by Malie and
Kesa. Keywords for today is hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle in a right triangle. It is the longest side in the triangle. Example, the longest side is the hypotenuse.
Another keyword is leg, each of the sides that form the right angle. So the two legs make up the hypotenuse, and it's the other two short sides.
The last keyword is Pythagorean Theorem. In any right triangle, the sum of the squares of the length of the leg is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So the key is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The example is the triangles always have to be a right triangle, and the hypotenuse and the leg. So the longest side will always be the hypotenuse, and the leg is always on the sides, the side and the bottom. The key will always be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So pretend we have 12 squared here, 6 squared here, and c squared. What we're trying to do is try to figure out what the hypotenuse is. So you have to simplify 12 times 12, the 12 squared, which is 144, plus 6 times 6, and it equals 36, equals 180, but let's make sure. Yep. So right here, this right here is 180. And then another example is if they have a number here, number here, and what you have to do is try to figure out what this is right here. So this would be 117 squared. So what we have to do is just figure it out just like how you did with the hypotenuse. So all you have to do is this 12 times 12, which is 144, is equal to plus b squared is equal to 17 times 17. 9, 4, 7. So 289. So what you want to do is I would substitute these and substitute this one, and then all you have to do is just find out what that is. Wait, 289. And then what you have to do is just simplify that. So what you're trying to do is just, I think you have to try to find the square root after. So the square root of this would be probably, I forgot, but what you have to do is just put them in square root and then find the square root.
And now we just showed you the Pythagorean Theorem. Yay.